Guys, Lenovo Legion Slim 7. All right, let's go. Okay, nice little Lenovo Legion box. Whew. Okay, Lenovo are doing big things, you know. Okay, they got kind of simplistic designs. It literally just says Legion on the right hand side here. You've got the little Lenovo logo in the top left here. There we go. What we got on the side here? So on the right hand side for I/O, we've got two USB-C ports going on there and a little air vent. On the left hand side for I/O, we've got a 3.5mm headphone jack and we've got a full-size SD card reader, as well as a little air vent there too. Now on the back, we've got two full-size USB-A ports, and it looks like we've got the power adapter which goes in here, which is going to power that graphics card. Apart from that, that's it. No display port, no anything else, although I'm sure one of these USB-C sockets has display port through USB-C anyway. Not much going on with the I/O. It's a very slim and thin laptop. Boy, do you know what? Let's just get some video games on it and see how this runs. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, a little gaming session weren't too bad. Man literally wheeled up Steam, downloaded Dirt 5 and Deathloop, plugged in a USB controller, put all the settings to 1080p, 165Hz, ultra graphics. And this thing delivered. It delivered proper. I can't lie, I know it's only the first impressions, but man's got high expectations from the first hour that I've had playing games on this thing. I'm currently downloading a few more games and I'm gonna get you some footage of them in the next full review when I've had this for a week or two. But right now, I have to say, it's literally been 4 hours with this machine, and the RGB keyboard, the keyboard feel itself, feels dope. The screen is hella bright, and I think it's even brighter than my MSI GE66, so I have to look at the specs to see what the brightness is. It's definitely more than the GE66. And it's hella thin, fam. Hella thin. This thing, look at this thing, guys. Guys, this thing literally disappears when I hold it to the side in the camera. What? Fam, I can't believe we're getting to a stage where proper gaming laptops are getting to this level of thinness. Make sure you're subscribed for the full review. All right, man's out.